Good morning, the learners. How was your weekend? We are starting our lesson on Prevocational Studies. Today's date is 27th of July 2020. So, before we proceed, I want someone to remind me of the topic we treated on Prevocational Studies last week. Okay? We treated raising of chickens. Then, in raising of chicken, what should be the first thing the rearer will do? He or she will select the site. That's very fine. Good. He also build shelter and they select breeds. Okay. In selection of breeds, what should he bear in mind? That's very okay. He should bear in mind whether he's going for egg production or meat production or just to get money. Good. Then in egg production, which breed will the person move into? Okay, the layers. That's very fine. What about if the farmer needs the one that will give him a large quantity of meat? Which breed? He will go for broiler. That's very fine. You all are great. Now, our today's topic is meaning of pests and the parasites. Meaning of what? Pests and the parasites. What are pests? Pests are animals and insects that attack farm animals. There are animals and insects that do what? Attack farm animals. They can be grouped into two. There are vertebrate and invertebrate animals. There are vertebrate and invertebrate animals. Vertebrate animals are animals with backbones. So vertebrate animals are those ones that have bones in their body, while invertebrates are those ones that do not have bone in their body. Examples of vertebrate animals are rats, mice, lizards, rodents, and the wild birds. All of them have bones in their body. Then examples of invertebrate animals are houseflies, mites, ticks, fleas, bedbug, and the sassaflies. Even cockroaches, they are also invertebrate animals. None of them have bone in their body. They didn't have bone in their body. The meaning of parasites. Parasites are organisms that live in and they feed in the body of another animal. They live in or on the body of another animal. So they depend on the body of another animal to survive. There are animals that live in or on the body of another animal. Those animals they are living in on are called the hosts. Examples of pests and parasites: louse. When they are many, they are called lice. Flea, bedbug, houseflies, tick, and the other ones, even sassafly. Look at the picture, you see most of them, they are there. Then parasites. There are two types of parasites. There are ectoparasites and the endoparasites. The Ectoparasites are those ones that live outside or skin of the host. You can see those ones outside or on the skin of the host. For example, a dog. If you look at inside the ear or on the body, you see some insects living there. They are known as tick. They suck the blood from the animal. Then endoparasites are those ones that live within or inside the body of the host. They can also be in the blood tissue or inside the intestine. Ectoparasites and the endoparasites. They live on the body or the skin, they suck blood. Sometimes they transmit diseases to the body of the animal. For example, the bird called sassafly transmit disease of sleeping sickness to the body of the animal. So every time the animal will be sleeping continuously. So it is a kind of disease that insect transmits. So remember, we said that our topic is meaning of pests and their parasites. That the pests are animals and insects that attack farm animals. The pests are divided into two, or grouped into two, vertebrate and invertebrate. We also said that the vertebrate animals are those ones that have bones in their body. They are known as they have backbones. They are called vertebrate animals. Then the other one is invertebrate animals. They didn't have any bone in their body, such as insects, houseflies, and so on. Then the parasites are those living organisms that live either outside the body of the animal or inside the body of the animal. Those that live outside the body of the animal is known as ectoparasites, while those that live inside the animal are known as endoparasites. Yes? Okay, do you have any question to ask? I'll ask mine. What are pests? Okay. There are animals and insects that attack the farm animals. Give me 2 examples of pests. Rats and the lizards. Fine. The 2 groups of pests are known as dash and dash. Vertebrate and the invertebrate animals. Very good. Then the parasites are grouped into 2, known as ecto and the endoparasites. Very good of you. 2 examples of endoparasites. Yes. Tapeworm, good. Hookworm. All right. What do they do to the body of the animal, whether they are living inside or outside? They feed on them, they suck their blood. Good. That's the end of the lesson. Have a nice day. Study your books. Seriously, study your books. And remember to stay safe. Bye.